I received the Eargo 6 in the mail today, so I figured I'd do a quick unboxing since there's no unboxings out there on YouTube that I could find. So, of course, after you get the box, there is the box inside the box, and it's nicely packaged and a little tough to get open. I should have probably pulled out a knife for this. That would have made it a little bit easier, but I just don't want to waste that much time. So we got that part done. We have the nice box with the pull tab. Looks like pretty similar packaging to other generations. Set that to the side, and then you are going to see what I see firsthand. Your world is waiting. And then of course you have the charging case, and it looks like the units are inside there. Let's just take a quick peek at those tiny little guys. Very reminiscent, if not identical, to the 5s in form. Go ahead and put those to the side over here. Get this out of the way. Looks like you've got a USB-C charger. The cloth that comes with it, as well as, I'm going to dare say that this is a quick start guide. Yep, quick start guide. And then you have your various pedals, and it looks like just a quick instructional on changing the pedals and the caps, followed by more pedals. So it looks like we have a variety of different types, the open and the closed. All right, let's set these over here. Then, of course, a charging brick to charge them. And I knew if I felt around in here, I'd find this little guy. It's going to be a bristle brush. And then this is kind of almost like an eraser. It's a little rubber piece. These are very, very good cleaning tools. Anyways, that was just a quick unboxing of the Eargo 6. If there's any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.